No, Jimmy, you're no longer living here. Come get your things and move out. Well, sometimes bad things happen to good people. Get used to it. Usually I would give 1 week's notice, but not this time. Why? Because you've always been a terrible roommate. You never helped out with chores around the apartment, and you're always bringing over random friends. I've told you could bring people over sometimes, but not too often. And your rent is hardly ever on time. And whenever I needed your help, you aren't usually available due to situations at work. I'm not stupid, Jimmy. I've already rented out your room anyways. Good luck finding a new apartment.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.